Well, here we go. Here we have a 2013 Chevy Express 2500 6.0 liter 8-door high-top handicap wheelchair conversion van. Conversion by Explorer. It is an Explorer Limited SE, fully loaded with leather, navigation, backup camera, Braun UVL, side entry, wheelchair lift, rear easy lock, rear power folding bed, fully loaded with leather, one owner, clean Carfax, clean van. Does have 132,000 original miles. The previous owner babied this van. It is in immaculate shape. Let me give you the full tour here. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any other questions or concerns about it. We are happy to help. You can text us to that number. Visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Visit us on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, Facebook. Give us a share, give us a like. When we get to 10,000 subscribers, we are going to give away a van to a lucky person. We don't have that person picked out yet, but we need 10,000 subscribers across all platforms in order to do that. Beautiful, beautiful van. I'm going to give you the full tour here. 2013. It is a 6.0. It is an 8-door. It has doors on both sides. It does have the extra seat in the back as well. Can be removed if you need more room. And it also has the rear power folding bench seat bed. It is fully loaded with every option you could have got. Gorgeous chrome wheels. Beautiful gray stone metallic. Give you the full tour here. Backup camera, navigation, Braun UVL. Condition is immaculate. Rear folding bed, bench seat. Everything is working and functioning the way it's supposed to. Beautiful LED lights inside the interior here. Just folding up the bed for you. Do have your headsets there for the TV. The TV is on, as you can see. Beautiful condition. The carpet is very nice. It's a non-smoking, rust-free van. The great part about the UVL in this truck is they put it here in the back out of the way so it doesn't block anything at all inside the van. Got all your window shades. Very, very nice, clean van. I'm going to show you how the wheelchair lift works here. I'm going to run you through that real quick. The great part about this wheelchair lift is it goes right underneath the van, no problem. You do have an easy lock system, so you can lock your wheelchair in. It does have the extra seat belt, rear sunroof. Look at the gorgeous white LED lights. Got your teardrop light, TV, entertainment system. All leather interior, wood grain everywhere. Carpet's very nice for a handicap van. We buy and sell handicap vans. This is what we specialize in. We rarely get one with this setup. It does have all the manuals and the paperwork on the lift. It's all there. Center console cooler. I'm going to show you how this lift works. Really, really nice van. I'm using the handheld pendant. Works very good. 2012 wheelchair lift, yes. This van was converted at brand new by the only and original owner. They bought a new one and traded this one in. This thing is immaculate. Check it out. Beautiful burl wood inside, heated seats. This thing is loaded down. Laser straight down the sides. Look at that. Paint and body's excellent. I'm going to go around and point out any flaws that I can find. Gorgeous chrome wheels. This is a 6.0 liter with 8 doors. It's almost impossible to find one of these. This is the back area again. You can access on both sides, which is great if you're loading somebody in the wheelchair. You can come in and out on either side. It's very, very helpful. Again, here's your tour of the back. Very nice, spacious. We almost never ever get one of these vans not hiding anything on the seat. There's a little mark here on the seat, actually, right there. Overall, very, very nice, clean van. Again, this seat can pop out if you want it to. No problem. Got your 8-door access. Almost impossible to find that. Super, super rare. I would put this van up against any low mileage van. The condition is excellent. Leather seats, non-smoker. This is what we do. We specialize in these. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Any questions or concerns. It's not even any bug chips on the hood. The roof is in perfect shape. They're always peeling or faded. The front bumper has some few little bug chips and marks on it. Normal wear and tear, nothing crazy. Overall, it's very straight. The little chrome molding here has a little bit of, showing a little bit of age, but overall it's very nice. It's a little spot back here in the paint, but very nice. Nothing that jumps out at you. Overall, excellent condition. The tire condition, I would say, is about 50% good. They're big wheels, big nice chrome wheels. They are very nice 20-inch chromes. One of the wheels has a couple little marks on it. That is this wheel right here. Overall, that's it. Almost nothing to point out on this thing. It's in excellent shape. Give us a call, 954-561-2499. Happy to help at any time. It's a gorgeous 2013 Chevy Express handicap wheelchair conversion van with a Braun UVL, 8 doors, 2,500, 6.0-liter V8. Unbelievably rare condition. Clean Carfax, clean title, no stories. There's your, no lights on. I do have the e-brake on. You need that on to control the lift. Does have navigation, backup camera, you know, you got all your goodies here. You got your center console cooler, your remotes, your easy lock controller, USB ports. This thing just had a full service. It is ready to rock and roll. Under the hood is nice. Here's your sticker. Very, very nice. No rust. Don't hesitate to give us a call. We can help with financing. We can also help with shipping to anywhere in the world. Just give us a call. We do accept trade-ins as well. Just let us know what you got. We're happy to help at any time. Ask for Jeff or Ken, 954-561-2499. Supreme Motors, Boca Raton, Florida. Thank you.